Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redirect a GoDaddy domain to another website. All right, let's begin. First, go to GoDaddy.com and log into your account in the top right corner. Once logged in, head over to My Products or your GoDaddy dashboard. If you have multiple domains, click on Domains on the left to see your list. Find your domain, then click on Forward Domain. This opens a window where you can choose some website builders or social sites to forward to. For this video, I'm redirecting it to Google, but you can redirect to any site or page you want. After entering the URL, click Next. It will confirm that your domain will be redirected to the destination URL and mention that it may take a few minutes to update. Click Finish to apply the changes. Now you can return to your dashboard. You can test by copying your domain and opening it in a new tab. It might update immediately or take a few minutes. To double-check, go to Manage for your domain, then DNS. Remove any unnecessary records like CNAMEs that could interfere with the forwarding. Once done, just wait a few minutes and your domain will redirect to your chosen website. So that's basically how you can redirect a GoDaddy domain to another website. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.